The bells of St John's Church in Bollington peal out for the final time. Over 200 campanologists from around the country descended on the church over the weekend to mark the removal of the 8 bells and ring the changes for the last time in Bollington. The church was built in 1834 for the princely sum of £4,002, but closed in 2003 due to declining congregations. The bells, cast in 1880 by John Taylor and Company, will be dismantled this week by the same company. After being skimmed and retuned, the bells will be hung in a church in Stockton Heath. St John's Church will now be developed into 13 residential apartments. The bell ringers, including some from Bollington, hung up their bell pulls for the last time, bringing to an end a centuries-old ritual of church bells tolling over Bollington.